I tried Electrum Bitcoin wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the Electrum Bitcoin wallet, I was stepping back into crypto history. It's one of the oldest and most trusted Bitcoin wallets ever made, but does it still hold up today? After 7 days of daily use, the shocking truth is that Electrum is still one of the best Bitcoin wallets, but not for everyone. On day 1, setup reminded me why Electrum has lasted so long. It doesn't try to be flashy, just fast, direct, and secure. You create a wallet, write down your 12-word seed, and you're in. No accounts, no kick, no nonsense. By day 2, I noticed its lightning speed. Transactions confirmed quickly, and syncing was almost instant thanks to its lightweight architecture. Most people get this wrong. They think older wallets are outdated or clunky, but Electrum's simplicity actually makes it faster and safer. Midweek, I tested its advanced features. Electrum supports multi-signature wallets, hardware wallet integration, and even custom fee control. It's a power user's dream, but beginners might find the interface intimidating. There are no hand-holding tutorials, just raw functionality. By day 5, I used it to send Bitcoin with manual fee adjustments. The level of control was impressive. You can literally choose how much you're willing to pay and how fast your transaction confirms. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. Electrum remains one of the most reliable and secure Bitcoin wallets ever built. It's not fancy, but it's battle-tested. If you value speed, security, and control, and you don't mind a slightly old-school design, Electrum is still one of the smartest choices in the Bitcoin world.